Hi friends, today we will complete Maths Worksheet. Let's start and let's learn also. Write the standard form and expanded form of the given number. Given standard form, expanded form. 15. How to write 15? 1, 5, 15. It is standard form and expanded form. 10 plus 5. 20 standard form. 2 0 20. 2 0 plus 0. It is of standard form. 14. Now we will write in expanded form. 14. 10 plus 4. Now 18 standard form is 1 and 8. 8 expanded means 10 plus and 8. Now second question. Compare and put the correct sign. Greater than, less than, equal to. We have to eat bigger one number. 17 is the bigger number of or 15. 17. Now it is 14 dash 14. Equal sign. 5 or 10. 10 to 10. 18 or 8. 9 or 9 is equal. Now third question is write the given number in ascending order. Order is we have to go from down to up, like ladders, down to up, like that. What is the smaller number first? Smaller number is 2. Cut 2 and do a dash like this. Now a smaller number in these 3 is the smaller number. Do this. Cut 3. Now in these 2 is 6. Smaller. Then cut 6. Then it is 8 is the last number. Is in smaller number. It is 3. Yes, 3. Cut 3. Take a comma. Then what is the smaller number? Is 10. Now is cut the 10. Now what is the smaller number in these? It is 15. Yes. You said the correct answer. Cut 15 and 18 is the last number, like 8. 18, 8. Yes. Now smaller number is this. Is 4. Yes. 4. Cut 4 and put a comma to full stop. Comma then 4 cut, 3 cut and 4. Now is 5 is the smaller number. Cut 5. You put the comma. Yes. Now is in these two is 7. It's the smaller number. Cut 7. You put the comma. Now is 11 is the last number to list. Now is fourth question. Write the given number in descending order. Descending means up to down. Like ladders, we go to up to down. Okay? Up to down. So what is the greater number? Greater number 18. Two comma. Cut 18. Cut 11 also. 18 you cut in and put in that comma. Okay. Now is greater number in these three 13? Yes. You said the correct answer. I was saying that answer. Everyone cut 13. You done all. Now in these two is greater than 18. Yes, 18. Not 18, it is 8. Last word cut it 20. Cut 20. Now is 40. Now cut 40. Now is 12, then 10. Last word is 10. Cut 10 and 12. C1 is greater. First greater is 9. Put a comma. Cut a 9. Then in these three is 6. Then 4, then 1. Then 4. Wait, confused. Then 4. Then 1. Cut this 2. Fifth one is fill in the blanks. 8 plus 0 is equals 8. 15 minus 0 . 30 minus 13 is 18 plus 1, 19. 8 plus 1 equals 1 plus is the answer. Answer means 17 minus 1, 16. 16. Let's go to next page. It is maths. Yes, all worksheets are maths only, no? Addition fact of 3. Oh, addition. Plus. So, answer should be 3. 1 plus 2 is 3. Then 2 plus 1 is equals 3. Then 3 plus now 3 is also 3. all we get the same answers of 3. Subtraction fact of 3 minus sign now. Okay, this was plus, now it's minus. So subtraction fact of 3. So we have to get only same answer of 3. Okay. Four minus 1 equals 3. Now 5 minus 2 equals 3. Now 6 minus 3 equals 3. 3 minus 0 equals 3. Now is 7th one. Do as directed, solve the following. So first see ones place. Right, 7. Now 1. Now see ones place. 9 plus. Okay, 10. So right here is 0. Take a carryover. Then write here 2. 20 is the answer. Now see 10 ones place again. 5. Then 1. 12. See ones place. It is smaller number. We will borrow. Cut 7. Right here 17. Cut 1. Right here 0. Now make 17 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Cut 9 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right here 8. Solve the story sums. Varun has 15 marbles. Isha gave him 5 more. How many marbles does Varun have now? 5. It is more. So we will do here plus. More means add. 15. Then 5 plus 5 is right here 0 to carry over and 20. There are 18 bugs on a tree. 7 bugs moved away. How many bugs are left on the tree? Away. Not away, left. Left is going one. Going. So it is 18 right here. 1, 8, 18 and 7. So sign is minus 1, okay? Make here 18 that. It is 8. Then cut 7. 1. Write your 1. 10. Write your 1. 11 is the answer. Bye bye friends. Like and share how was my video and how was my reading. Bye bye. Subscribe my channel also. Bye.